Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here I'll be setting up the rose thingamajigger.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and it's day 9 of VLOGMAS. Alright, for those who are just joining my channel, the reason why I call it VLOGMAS is because my channel started off with art. Alright guys, and I even did a year of VLOGMAS or VLOGMAS, one year which was very difficult, but I realized that this year is a bit easier for me. I know why that is so, but I'll talk to you about that on another video. So guys, how is your day going? Now I just dropped off my children at school and I'm here to do the update as I promised. For those who did not watch the live, I basically mentioned that I want to try to go a week without using the elastic band, because I've been using the elastic band since I started this ear journey. For those who haven't seen the other videos, so I've been using elastic band since I started this ear journey, and I haven't stopped. Only when I'm putting in braids and stuff like that. But I mentioned in the live that I want to try to permanently stop using the elastic band. So this is how I went on the road, drop off my children at school. So I think right now that is definitely looking a bit shabby. I think it's now hot time now. Time to wear my cap or my hat, because it definitely needs to be redone. Now I think it can wear for work, because I did it on Thursday. Today is Monday morning, right? So I did it on Thursday. If I was to wear this here at work without elastic band, I think it can work. I think by Friday it would be messed up, but I can probably work my way around it by using the ear control gel or jam or whatever. So I think it can be worn. Alright, it's not that bad. But guys, you comment down below and tell me what you think. It definitely can be a bit tighter with the elastic band, or if I knew how to catch it from the root well. But if I can't, what am I going to do? I'm not going to stress myself about it. Alright, so I think I can do away with the elastic band, guys. What do you think? So it's cap time. So when it's cap time now, what I usually do, I think this needs to go out a little bit more. But anyways, when it's cap time, I usually catch my hair. I catch my hair to the back so it can go through the hole in the cap, if that makes sense. In here is still moist, guys. Still moist. Wow, still moist, guys. Still moist. Still moist with the product. Still moist with the product. So I re-moisturize. When did I re-moisturize? Yes, I re-moisturized on Saturday and it's still moist. Alright guys, so my hair is done. So this is what I mean by cap time. My hair is looking shabby right now. So sometimes when it's looking shabby, I don't want to put a lot of edge control on my edges, so I just wear the cap. So I catch it up to the back. Catch it up to the back. Then I bring it through the hole. Like this. Alright. So what this does is to prevent me from troubling the edges a lot. Alright, you don't want to take away your edges. As you can see, I'm trying to grow back my edges from the damage that was done with the braids that I usually wear, and it's growing back fine, so I want to keep it that way. So the less I trouble my hair is the more it will grow. Alright, so let me show you how the edges is looking now. It's growing back. Right, it's growing back, and I don't want to lose it right now, so cap it is, or hat it is. Alright, so guys, I'm not sure when I'm going to get the chance to redo it, but it definitely needs to be redone. Let me pull out one. There. So it definitely needs to be redone. So I'm not sure when I'm going to get to do it, but in the meantime I'll be wearing the hat. Okay guys, so now today, which is Artmas or Vlogmas, some person might say, I have a lot to do today, right? When I'm finished doing all of what I need to do, then I either might go on live, or I have some other videos that I need to edit and upload, so I might do that. But we'll see how the day takes us for today, guys. Alright? So I'll see you soon. I think I will have to move this location because there's a lot of music going on. So I'm gonna try and move my location, guys. Oh Lord, I want an island for myself. You guys, you hear the music in the background? Look hungry now, guys, but no, you know, from money. But anywho, I don't know if I can do the vlog here. It's a lot of noise. I don't know what to do, but I have to do it outside because I don't have any space right now to set up this big thing. You guys would have to see B-rolls of this, because if you're hearing the music, I will not be able to upload this. Alright, I might do a voiceover or something like that. Alright guys, so I have to do B-roll because the music is in the background. Alright, so I'll do a B-roll and a voiceover. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the smaller one. This one here. It says Rose Flower Rack. For those who are new to the channel, I'm starting to plant my own food. So this is a part of the process. So continue to watch, and please to go ahead and watch some of the old videos so we can get familiar with each other. Oh Lord, this is gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot. Raise garden bed, planter box with trellis. Oh Lord, jeez. Yeah. It's a setup thing me can bother with some my time, you know. So I've got to set up this in another video. Boy, come with enough parts, sir. Enough parts. Yeah. This says no. Mercy says no. You see this? Guys, this is the greenhouse. You're gonna see when I clear out. You can see that the yard is very big, but I'm actually gonna use down there. I'm gonna clean up down there before me show you because it's a lot of work. This is a lot of work. Alright? It's a mini greenhouse, guys. These ports. Oh Lord, jeez. Alright guys, here's what I'm going to do. Those are the three planting stuff that I had to unbox, so that would be in one video. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna make some 3 different videos with the 3 setups because I'm not good at setting up stuff, so it's gonna be a long time, and this is already 8 minutes. So yeah, let me do a thumbnail. What is my Jesus? The rose flower rack. All right. Got to do this quick and fast. Is what, 30? I only have 30 minutes left on this, so let's see how quick I can do this thing. Alright, so this thingy should go in this thingy like that. Okay, going good so far. Going good so far, guys. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Where is that twist up? Easy. And then you get the thingy here. Alright. Alright then. Guys, I won. I didn't understand it. guys, so I have this thingy and this left. Don't know what they're for. Don't know, I guess for decorations. I don't know. But I'm done in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Took 10 minutes. But it could have taken less if some part wasn't so hard to squeeze. But that's it. That's it. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.